What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. But I've been doing some yard work, so that's why you guys haven't seen me. So I'm gonna actually show you guys exactly what I've been working on in the backyard. I got my handyman outfit on, trying to get some pathways built up, as you can see behind me. Pathways trying to built up. See, putting rocks down. This stone, the wooden step stone right there, is gonna be completely concrete very soon, and I'm working my way all the way to the door with the rocks, trying to get everything right. So I'm sorry that I didn't get a chance to document that for you guys, but I'll definitely do my best to document as much of it as possible so you guys could see what I got going on. All right, guys, I was able to finally refinish this, make it a perfect round circle. As you can see here, it's a perfect round circle all the way around. Refinished the fire pit area because it didn't look right last year when we did it. Now the circle is fully round. It's perfect. Let me show you guys. The circle is fully round and the gravel is all the way in there, and it's as even as we can get it. The work that I'm going to be doing today is on the interior of it. Fill it up with a little bit of gravel for some pretty much drainage, and put in a metal mesh system and some bricks down here so we can actually light a nice fire without any problems whatsoever. So let's get into the video further. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions on how I went about doing this, I definitely will tell you. I'm sorry I wasn't able to document it earlier. I completely forgot um, to document that, to actually make a video of it. So we're going to get into the video further, and I'm going to showcase to you guys how I go about getting the interior of this fire pit ready for wood and perfectly breathable now. When I did this last year, to be exact with you guys, I actually made the mistake of putting two fire rings in, so it was actually choking most of my fires because there's no breathing room for oxygen to get in. So I actually took it apart and redid it. Me and my friend, we leveled it as best as we could, and we put only one fire ring, the top one, on there. As you could see back there, that's the older fire ring that was at the bottom. So there was one at the bottom, one at the top. I thought that was the way it's supposed to go, but apparently I was wrong. So I'm gonna actually go get a bucket of gravel, get my bricks, get my fire bricks in there, use the rocks, and also a little bit of lava rock will be in there as well to keep the fire blazing. And we're gonna get into getting this done. All right, guys, this is what I'm gonna be doing here. I'm gonna be using this mesh here to put inside the fire pit so it can actually hold the rocks. So first thing we're gonna do is take out all the big rocks out. And if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them and let me know what you guys think of what I'm doing. And if I feel like the suggestion is well warranted, I'll definitely go ahead and make a change to it if possible. So let's get into it further. We got a little bit of pine wood to start the fire off. And just like that, we have fire. And keep in mind, I'm using my little electric lighter to do so. No propane whatsoever. Just regular electric lighter. The link of this will be in the description below. And that's pretty much that for the fire pit. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe as well. Very important. I'm trying to still reach my goal, guys. Help me out. Help a brother out. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a good day, guys. Peace.